Hello friends, welcome to Get Tamil channel. Today we are seeing the one mark section. Okay, sometime video writing will be cannot visible, so that the reason only I read all the questions. Don't worry. First question I will be show to you. A simply supported beam, laterally loaded beam was found to be more deflected more than the specified value, following that decreasing deflection. This question is what saying when deflection is decreasing, then what the condition it will be appear. Okay, what the condition it will be appear, we already know. So deflection will be something ml some value by ei. Okay, this place also some value will become, this place also some value come, so don't go in depth. Okay, this question will be asking just deflection will be y will be decreasing, then what the other value will be come. Okay, what the other value will become. So what I doing is y decreasing, then moment is equal to load into some value will come, so load also decreasing, directly proportional, so load also decreasing, then length also decreasing, Young's modulus also increasing, inertia also increasing. So we check the four options. First options what say, deflection will be decreasing, then moment of inertia will be increasing, that is the moment of inertia, so moment of inertia will be increasing, so first option is correct. Second option is in span of the length will be increasing, but it directly proportional, so length will be decreasing, then next option is wrong. You seen the third option, Young's modulus will be decreasing, but Young's modulus of the material will be increasing, so third option also wrong. See the fourth answer, load will be increasing, so but load will be decreasing, so three options are remaining, three options are wrong, only one A option only will be correct. This will be get question. In this 1 mark section, first I say to previous year questions, next explanation will be go. Okay, this question will be appear in the GATE 2003. Next question is cantilever beam length subjected to movement at free end. Okay, next question is cantilever beam length L, length will be L to free movement at free end one movement will be acting, then what is the deflection asking. Already I say to part 2 deflection of beam, that place will be say to one table column will be, you will be memory this table column, that the reason only I say to memory. If part 2 deflection of beam, my video will be you seen on the table value will be what giving deflection of beam at moment at free end, that will be giving the moments ml square by 2a will be answer. MS2A will be answer. Next question, third question. Third question what saying? Third question will be ISRO previous year 2015. This question will be appearing. Same question GATE also asking, but GATE will be asking 2 mark, but ISRO will be asking only 1 mark. Okay, what saying, the load will be this place, what deflection, that is the question. Okay, in this load 2 beam will be available, so total deflection at B will be, this beam also take to calculation, this beam one beam will be because the both the beams are hinged, so total deflection will be deflection 1 plus deflection 2. Okay, you already know any fixed beam, cantilever beam, then load will be acting, then deflection will be PL cube by 3EI. Okay, then 2 will be acting, then total deflection will be PL cube by 3EI plus PL cube by 3EI. Then answer will be 2PL cube by 3EI. Total deflection at point P, load acting place. That is the answer. So given option is second option B is right. Now next question will be Tensor question. We will be seeing why the Tensor question will be seeing. TNEBAE, all the examinations are conducted by Tensor organization, Anna University only. Previous 2 years conducting organization will be TNEBAE will be Tensor only, Anna University. So syllabus also, Tensor syllabus also available. Mechanical engineering, no TNEBAE question will be not available, because 2016 something TNEBAE question will be conducting, but no question will be given outside. Okay, so what I am doing is TNEB Tensor question will be similar to Tensor question only. So I will be take the previous year Tensor question. This is previous year question 2018 Tensor. Okay, one question is what saying cantilever span of length L subject to concentrated load at point P and moment at M at free end, then Y at the free end, deflection at free end, what asking. Okay, question what saying cantilever beam. Okay, point load will be acting and moment also asking, moment also it will be printing. So principle of superposition theorem what saying, if two load will be acting, then add, simply you will be adding. I show already part 2 I will be given the one table. Okay, one table will be, you will be how to memory also I will give some hints. Okay, that hints you using, you will be directly put on total deflection at free end will be deflection due to point load, deflection due to moment, deflection due to point load PL cube by 3EI. Okay, due to moment ML square by 2EI. Then seen on the given answer which place available, ML square by 2EI, PL cube by 3EI. That is the answer. Next question, cantilever beam slow but free end. Same this question also. Same this question also what saying, same cantilever beam, point load, then moment, point load, slope what asking, slope is what asking. You will be memory the table, then directly say the answer. What is the answer? Answer will be what? Already you will be same thing only, PL square by 2EI. If SS beam central load, point load, then Y, this only answer. This type of, in case of you going to TNEBAE, okay, TNEBAE, because time will be 2 hours only giving. So within the 2 hours we cannot solving the some methods, all the 6 methods, it will be time taking, so you will be losing the mark. So what is news I say to you, in this type of the TNEBAE exam will be you going to rate. So I will be giving the part 2 standard table will be given, and that standard table you will be memory, you directly getting the answer. Okay, that only you gain the score, that only way. Okay, don't go to all the steps. Example, Castiglione theorem, the theorem using, and you will be getting answer, then it will be so much time taking, so you will be losing the another question opportunity. So don't do this mistake, okay? Don't do this mistake. You simply you going to TNEB AE TNE Tangent-Co AE exam. So don't do the steps. Only you will be just memory that the same formula. You will be directly given answer place also available. That much toughness only Anna University will be asking. Gate level, don't get up to gate level, no, not going to Anna University, okay? Anna University standard, you will be only memory the standard table. That's only enough, okay? Now see in the Castiglione theorem, expected questions we see. Expected questions are we are seeing, okay? First question is what saying? Castiglione theorem saying to deflection. Castiglione theorem two rules saying. One is deflection is equal to dou u by dou p. Another one slope dou u by dou m. That will be standard of the Castiglione theorem. So given option is seen on this, deflection is dou u by dou p. Next, Moore theorem say to slope is moment by area of the moment by EI diagram, okay? If asking the deflection, area of moment diagram will be deflection, okay? Next, simply supported beam maximum deflection is meet starting point end point left. That is simply supported beam, okay? What asking maximum deflection? If simply supported beam, any beam, point load or uniformly distributed load or uniformly varying load, any load will be acting, then also deflection will be at this only appear. So deflection will be maximum. Why maximum will be appearing on the center place only, okay? Not right or left. Right, left. In this place, no deflection will be 0. In this place also 0. In this place also 0. Then maximum deflection will be occurring at the midpoint only, mid above center, okay? Next, cantilever beam. Next question is cantilever beam maximum deflection is which place? If that is the cantilever beam, okay, point load, any load will be acting, same case only, same type of case only, but this type of problem will be slope will be this place come. Then maximum deflection is fixed end is 0. Center is some value. Free end only highest maximum deflection will be come in the free end. So friends, seen on this question, what asking? Value of the curvature is what? Okay, this question seen on the E by M, M by E by R, none of this. This type of question is coming. So what do? You already know theory of symbol bending. What saying? Elizabeth Rani, moving iron lady, stress yield, okay? Stress yield. You asking the curvature. Curvature means 1 by R. That is the curvature, okay? 1 by R curvature. Seen on this formula, theory of symbol bending, 1 by R is equal to M by EI. Given option, what is this? B is the correct answer. Next, shear force equation. Shear force equation is Maclaurin's theorem. What saying? 5 condition will be giving. That conditions also I already part 2 or part 3 I will be already discuss with you. But if want to another this one to this question and another 3 Three statements are given by Maclaurin's theorem. Okay, so shear force equation is Maclaurin theorem. What saying? EI by TQ by dx cube up to power, it will be say to shear force equation. Bending moment equation is up to square level. Okay, bending moment equation is up to square level. If up to 10 to the power of d to the power 4, then that is the load equation. So you want to seen on the part 2 or part 3, video will be uploaded. That video will be go to seen on this formula solved. Next question is seen on this deflection at up to point AB will be fixed. Okay, fixed or rigid. Then point up to AB will be rigid. Then what is the slope deflection at a point C? Question will be asking deflection at a point C. This is the point C. So asking point C. What is the given option? Seeing this PL Q by P up to L power 1 cube EI up to L power 2 EI P L1 plus L2 power L1 plus L2 by QI. Seen on these three options are only what asking is testing your length. What is the length? This length or this length or this length? That is the question is asking. So in this beam it will be rigid. Okay, then rigid up to this place you will be forgot. Then what is the correct answer is up to L power 2 only the correct answer. Then answer will be L2 only. This A and B, A and C not coming.